Hey guys, good evening. Andy here with Expert Renovation. 2-day 12x16 deck project completed. Nice blast from the past. We're able to use the Kubota and get this nice vintage piece of 40-year-old concrete set back in place, complete with notches already cut in it. 6x6 posts, Simpson standoffs. Had to use threaded rod for the anchors, these jumbo bricks, and then they had a 2-inch spacing behind that before the framing started. It worked out well. Timber lock screws. Got the siding patched back. Homeowner had some pieces left over, so it worked out well. Ready for the good times. Thanks for watching. Please don't forget to subscribe and call us if you'd like one at your house. 478-501-0102.